How to recover deleted mails from Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we will show you the easiest way to recover deleted emails. So, open your Gmail app. Now, let's begin by deleting few mails. Here, let me delete these mails. And one more. Here you can see I just deleted these two mails. So now let's recover it. To do this, click on this hamburger icon located on top left hand side of your screen. And then you will see all this menu. So simply scroll down all the way to bottom. Here, somewhere on the middle of your screen, you can see this icon, Bin. So tap on it. So here you can see, these are the deleted messages that I just deleted. So now, to recover this mail, long press on the mail that you want to recover. Now, on top of your screen, you can see this three dot, so tap on it. And then you will see this pop-up, so tap on Move to icon located on top of your screen. And then tap on Primary. So repeat the same process if you want to recover more mails. And the most important thing that you need to know is, you can recover only those mails that you have been deleted for last 30 days. So you cannot recover any mails that you deleted 30 days ago. So now, after doing this, click on the hamburger icon located on top left hand side of your screen. Now scroll down all the way to top. And then tap on All Inboxes or Primary. And here you can see, I have successfully recovered deleted mails on Gmail. This is how you recover deleted mails on Gmail app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.